All right, y'all, so today I'm changing the rear brake pads on the 2019 Jaguar XF. And these are pretty easy. They're just these two pins. And as I do this, I'll go through the maintenance procedure. What I did on this, I tried to do the procedure that I looked up, but it didn't quite work. I wasn't sure if the parking brake was going to set while I was working. So what I did the procedure. Once these are off, you can service them. So what I did was cut the parking brake off, did the procedure. While it was released, I unhooked the battery. Alright, so these are the little guide pins. And it's a hex tool. That's the proper tool. But this T45 worked pretty good for me, so I didn't have to go get the tool. And what I'll do is when I find out the proper size, I'll put it in the description in the video. Take this retaining clip off. Off. Make sure this won't fall. So I had a special the master brake caliper reset tool, and on this I use number 7. So what you do is just so this might have to go all the way in. So once you got everything lined up and tightened, you can just start to screw this caliper back in. And just keep that tight as you're screwing. One second. Now if that's done, you just have to loosen this up here. Sometimes you might need a wrench to get that loose if it's too tight. And pretty much after that, you just put the new pads on slide these pins and put it back together. Let me get the new pads, I'll be right back. So these do take a wheel sensor, which is on the other side, but it looks something like this. Right here. And then on the brake pad that goes on the inside, you'll see it just clips right down in there like that. For the new one on here, put the caliper on first and then slide this in, and then you'll see where it tracks through the back, and the connection is gonna be kind of in there. But if you feel through, you'll find it. New pads here. Make sure all your hoses and wires align right, nothing's crimped. Take these out until I get it. All right, and once it's lined up, add your pins back. You should have got a new retainer clip with your new pads. Just add that retainer clip. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all it takes to change those out. I gotta get some new covers. Whoever did this before didn't put the covers back. Always make sure to put the covers back because you don't want these pins to get rusted. And then the brakes can't move how they're supposed to. All right, y'all, like and subscribe. Make sure y'all like. So I'm trying to build my channel. All right, y'all have a good day.